Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enhance your audio quality with Adobe Podcast. Just go over to Adobe Podcast, like this one, and you can have a request access on this Adobe Podcast. But if you're in a hurry, you can just click this enhance speech. This works totally great, and the audio only is the MP3 and the .wav. But you can also convert this type of files. And let's try this sample speech about on this.
I'm in a conference room.
And let's start
And it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech,
with enhanced,
all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
Without.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the back.
And that's it. Thank you.